case, we presented the evidence. The justices, really listened to us. They were really focused in. They took notes. I wasn't nervous. I know the case. I know the law. And it was just a matter of going and getting it done today.
I mean, so do you think the judges were being a little fair in there in the panel in there? They gave them a fair shot?
Yes, they were very kind. I've been in that court before. I'm not going to lie, not every case goes as well as today, so I am very pleasantly, surprised. I was fully ready for it to go either way, where they would, like my arguments and listen and accept me, and I was fully prepared if they didn't.
I know. I mean, I wanted to know from you, I know you're on part of this team and everything like that. I mean, why do you believe the sentence should be reduced for the people at home that want to know specifics?
I feel that courts need to be fair. That's the main key. That's why I work for Daystar Peterson. It's not the fact that he's Tory Lanez. It's the fact that he's an innocent man. And I do feel that the district attorney hoodwinked like he accused us of doing. And so I don't like it when I find a case where I feel that the results have been manipulated to get a conviction, because convictions don't always equal justice.
Okay. I mean, I know there's talk about new evidence and everything like that. Can you tell us anything about that? Why does it matter to this case that new evidence has been brought in?
For me, it was more vindication for any of the naysayers, to believe that, this did happen the way that we're presenting that it happened. But legally, it didn't really put us in any better of a position. Witness testimony is okay, but it's not infallible. It's subject to a lot of discrepancies, memory issues from trauma, and of course that night was traumatic. So just looking at the fact that there wasn't this testimony really, and that we don't really know exactly what happened, I just feel like, the process was flawed.
Okay, so I mean, what do you have to say to all the people that kind of question Tory's innocence a little bit? I mean,
a long time ago, I gave an interview, and then I haven't spoken to anybody since then. And I promised everybody that sometimes in court, although what makes, America great, I feel, is our, judicial process. But sometimes, even though it's great, it's not perfect, and we don't get things right. So for me, the fact that this process was flawed, and now we're correcting it,